The content covered in this video is not to be considered an investment advice. Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about the results of trading indicators premium signals and how much money you would have made being a member of this group. I told you that I don't make too many videos here because I prefer to message you on this platform or on WhatsApp depending on the membership level that you want to participate. Let's look at this call. So on December 29th, some of you were in holidays or in vacation, but we were making money on Naked brand. On that date, I told the guys in the group that Naked has an average volume of $103 million and a market cap of 51 million. So I bought 5,000 USD worth of shares at 0.21 USD per share. What happened then? I also posted after I gave them this information, I posted this article. So this is from December 30. This is my article here. And the potential breakout that could happen. And look, this happened. So from 0.21 we got to $3.4. You've made a lot of money with this call, but I also told you when to exit for the first time. So on January 7th I exited the trade with 100% gains, and now I'm long it once again. So on January 7th I bought at 0.21 and like here when I gave you that signal 0.21, sold at 42, and afterwards on let's look on January 7th, around 30 cents. I bought even cheaper and long it once again because I like to day trade, and I also like to buy low and sell high and make these amazing trades. Those of you who held the stock, some of them made even 10x their money, but the potential was even higher. If you manage to buy here at 21 cents and sell at the top, it's 14x your money. So this was an amazing trade, and I noticed the group about this trade on December 29th. I also told you then about Candy. It was then $6.88 and it went up from here till here. Let's say you have sold here, it's almost 62%. Another trade was XPEV, that EV automaker. When I told you that at 38 USD, I didn't thought that it can go lower than that, and that I believe that XPEV is the real Tesla competitor in China, not NIO. What happened was that from 38 USD, it went to 59.75 or 80, and you had an upside of 57% in this period. I also talked about CVAC, CureVac, that a retracement was completed, in my opinion, at $88. This one retraced a little bit more, but from that $88 till let's say this high at 109, you would have made 23%. Also the trader here asked me if he could hold the CADX for even longer. He asked me on December 29th, and I told him that I still hold that asset, so I have also bought it. And what happened was that from December 29th, CADX went from 9.03 to 15, or the maximum was 15.05 with a potential of 66% upside. You've made 66%. Aikido Pharma, which I was adding for $1.06 per share. This was, let's look at it, bought here in January 6th, $1.06, and it went to $2.14 for an 102 upside potential. So you would have doubled your money if you managed to sell at the top and buy when I told you. Azure X, at which I bought at 0.82 and went from here in January 11 to $2.62, which you have tripled your money. It was a 210% upside here from the moment I called this stock. What do we have here is this Timber Pharmaceuticals. So I called it at 0.84 or 82, and it was 1.72. Now I sold that and long it once again from $1.20. I think it has still room to grow, and the next target is around here, around 1.8. You have made 109%, so you have doubled your money from January 11 to January 29th. Let's look at other trades. This one, TLGT, went up, but not that much. GovX, I bought at 3.30, and I bought it here, and it went up till 7.38 for 116% upside potential. I sold it earlier and made some profits around $6.2. Didn't wait till the top, and unfortunately I haven't long it once again, but I think that deserves another chance, this one. But there are a lot of stocks with upside potential, so you don't need to catch them all, you know. Another one is FANG, which also went up, but not that much. Let's look at other calls. This is Foley's SPAC. I called it on December 6th. I think it was 10.62. Now, and it went from here when I told you, look at December 7th or 6th. The maximum was around 19.51-55. So for an 83% gains. In which period? December 7th, January 25th. Achieve Life, which I called at $7.24, and it went from here at 7 December when I called it till the top was on January 21st, 102%, so you have doubled your money here. Another call was Cobar at $1.18, which went from here when I called it 1.18 till here 2.2. I didn't give you the close, only the entry. You need to make your exit, you know, because the potential is even higher. So You need to use the indicators or try to find the exit yourself. If you ask me, I will tell you what is my opinion, but it's better to have a great entry than an exit which will give you profit, even if it's 10% or 20% or in this case 92%. Other calls were Visa at 2.72. I think I bought it even lower at 2.52, which went from this moment when I call it, went from here to 4.85 for 82% profit. I won't name those because they are still in play right now. And I will talk about Organigram Holdings, which I bought at 1.46. And what happened to them was from here to go to $2.13 for a profit of 48.82%. Another call was NAS, Norwegian Air Shuttle, which was down 99%. And the price then was 0.4 NOK. Meanwhile, it did 100x reverse split and then went to 40 NOK. Let's look at what happened. So from 40 NOK, here when I called it, went the maximum height was here at 109.92 NOK. For a gain of 176.64% from my call. So you have almost triple your money in this trade. I told you on December 15th that I bought Predictive Oncology $10,000 worth of stocks at 0.7044 USD per share, only 12 million market cap and huge upside potential, in my opinion, cancer treatment and diagnosis, artificial intelligence. What happened here was that I wrote this article too, and Predictive Oncology went to $1.57. So from 0.7 to 1.57. I sold it earlier, but I enjoyed my profits like most of the users from my Patreon group. From my call, it went a little bit lower, as you can see, but the potential was here. We were in this accumulation area box and we went up. I also mentioned NPA, space-based mobile network, initially reaching 1.6 billion people. It's 10.9 USD right now on December 17th. This was here when I told you 10.7, I think, and went to $17. So the most profit you could have made was 70%. Let's look at this signal here on December 18th, when I told you that Norwegian Air Shuttle has a 25% discount. What happened then? So on 18th of December was here. You see that wick here? Yes, that was the 25% discount. So you could have bought and long once again Norwegian Air Shuttle at 43 NOK. Close to that 40 NOK that I've entered on December 7th. So you had this opportunity, and I told the group members that they have also this opportunity to long it once again. I also gave an article of Sense and Bio, This was the trend line. I identified the trend line, and I think that this still has an upside potential. This was in an oversold territory, and this happened. So I think that as we are looking here, Sense and Bio was making higher highs after higher highs and higher lows after higher lows. So this is a trend line, a bullish trend line, and I think it has the potential to go even higher. And also one of the guys here asked me, do you think it is still worth to hold the Mallinckrodt PLC overnight and wait for the official FDA approval announcement? And I was amused that I was the only one talking about it, and now it's 3x. So this is the stock we were talking about, and I am the only one who wrote about it. And what happened from here, I wrote about it at 0.24, and now it's more than 3 times higher, and it was even higher. It was even 4 times higher. So I have this Patreon account for 3 months now. I have some stocks that have an upside potential of 200-300% right now. Remember, it is not trading advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. We need also to make a disclaimer and risk warning. Trading and investing in the stock market and cryptocurrencies involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for every investor. The content covered in this video is not to be considered an investment advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this video should be considered as a recommendation to buy or sell stocks, futures, forex, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, CFDs, or commodities. Data and information provided is for educational and informational purposes only. Do your own research before investing. All trading strategies are used at your own risk. My best stocks and crypto picks are in the Patreon page in the link below. Feel free to leave me a message on this video with your TradingView username if you want a 7-day trial for the indicators that I use. I think they are some of the best in the market. So if they help you make nice profits, then you can consider buying them. It's a one-time payment and include lifetime access and unlimited updates. They work even with a free TradingView account. But if you want to have a paid account with all those TradingView benefits, then you get $30 back if you register using the referral link below. Also, make sure to check my Udemy courses about trading the financial markets, how to set up a trading bot, how to buy and transfer Bitcoin, how to use technical analysis and 100x leverage, and also altcoin review and price analysis. The most secure Bitcoin exchanges that I use have links in the description below. That being said, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more huge upside potential stocks. I wish you many profitable trades.